If I say the names Bobby Fischerman, Average Joe, and Peter Potzer, a lot of you will know exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't, there's a series on the channel where Bobby Fischerman and his friends travel around an island solving chess puzzles. Some of you really like it, and some of you would prefer just plain puzzles or just more educational content. So, with that in mind, after much thought and consideration, I have decided to migrate the Bobby Fischerman series to a brand new channel. Actually, that channel already exists. It's called Chess Adventures, and some of you have already subscribed to that if you saw my community post, so thank you for that. But Chess Adventures is going to have all of the Bobby Fischerman series going forward, as well as Martin challenges, really any kind of video that falls in the sort of fun and entertaining category is going to be over on that channel. And Chess Vibes is going to be for the educational type of content. So think top 35 chess principles or the top checkmate patterns or something along those lines. Anything educational is staying right here. But if you do want to see the rest of the Bobby Fischerman series or those fun Martin challenges, you're going to want to go subscribe to the Chess Adventures channel. I hope that makes sense. I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. Let me know if you guys have questions or if I missed anything important. Thank you, and as always, stay sharp, play smart, and take care.